Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry about not posting videos lately. Just work has been pretty steady and hadn't been able to get out here very much. But this week actually don't have that much to do, so we're gonna do a few things today to the Ratrod. First, I think we're gonna degrease the engine with some super clean, and then we're gonna turn our attention to the inside. And this sat outside for a while, and the got a lot of surface rust on it. Let me flip you around here and kind of show you. You can kind of see we need to address all this. One thing I'm going to do is get it all down, clean it off like we normally do, and we'll probably paint it that same etching primer green, and then we may go over it with like a flat black or something later on. I'm not sure, or even like rhino line it or lizard skin or something. But I just want to get this kind of taken care of right now. And also I'm thinking about getting some wool, some steel wool, and just slightly going over this and knock this down and kind of clear coating it, because I don't like how that looks. But I did say I was going to leave it as is, and and I'll only be going over parts that they actually kind of had to sand down and get paint away to do the chop and stuff. So it'd be like this whole corner here. As you can see, it's already rusting and getting on my paint here. Just kind of knocking all the surface rust back and then clear coating it. Same way with the firewall. This looks really bad, but doing that with that as well. Anywhere that's kind of, you know, it looks like that. This I probably won't go over very much, because that's, I think it's from normal patina, but like, see this, and I think that might be lead, so we might oops, sorry, this might be lead, so I might not do much with that. You can see it's already cracking right there, but like right through here and around, and just, you know, right through here. But take the steel wool over everything, just kind of clean off the dirt and everything like that, and around the bottom as well. That's what I plan on doing. Talked to the wife, and she's probably not a fan of that kind of shiny look, but I don't think it's gonna be completely shiny, to be honest with you. Into it may be that I get into it, take this a little bit deeper than I intended to, as in taking all the paint off, bondoing over all the seams, maybe spot welding a few things here and there. You gotta fix the door. Well, I have to do that anyways. And painting it properly, like the guy bought it off intended to do. That's also an option right now, but I'd like to get and enjoy it if I can. So don't know. I'll leave it up to y'all. Get y'all's thoughts on it. Should we leave it, kind of brush it off and clear coat it and enjoy it like this, or take everything down, do bodywork paint, and make it I guess essentially like a hot rod instead of a rat rod? Right now I'm on the fence about it, so let me know either way. Here for the Bronco, it's still over there. I haven't forgot about it. That's just that that's what the wife asked me to, when we're gonna finish this. Well, told her all the stuff for the rat rods in the Bronco at the moment, and that probably need to finish that, get all that stuff off that, then jump on that while we enjoy the rat rod. But anyways, I'm gonna try to do a monthly video, at least once a month, if not more. It's actually getting nice outside, and I feel like I need to come out here and just start hammering down and getting this wrapped up. It'll be a nice little hot rod, rat rod, once I get done, I think, hope. But like I said, I'm gonna spray some super clean on this right quick, and I'll break back in, let you know how it's doing. And I'm gonna jump in on this. I probably won't film any of it because it's just watching oil drip off that and dust come off that. So I'll break back in when kind of wrap everything up for the evening, kind of show you what happened. But hopefully everything turns out good. But I'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right, cutting in here kind of halfway through. You can't tell it's really dusty. That's from the rust that I've been kind of grinding out of the cab. But turn around here, look at the engine right quick, and then we'll check out the truck. Yeah, the engine, it's getting better. Was a lot of oil on this. I'm gonna let it soak again. Then I'll spray it down, scrub it with a toothbrush one more time. Then I'll rinse it with some water and see what it looks like. Just want it good enough where our paint will stick to it. I'm thinking that this will do it. So it don't feel that greasy anymore. Thinking the quick spurts with some water and dry it off, and hopefully it'll be good to paint, and I can get some paint quick. But let's look at the truck. I am gonna take that off eventually. I just didn't want to do it today. See, we use our Eastwood roller thing. Not sure what it is called anymore. Contour SCT. I need to get me a new roll, but anyways, it stripped the paint really good, and I went around the edges with the wire wheel. So I'm thinking I'm gonna clean this all off, let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll start painting that self-etching green primer. But that's what it looks like right now. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the engine one more time, scrub it down really good, wash it off, and we'll probably clean this out and then spray some of that self-etching primer in there and probably call it a day. But I'll break back in for you to use instant, but once we get all this kind of done and ready to be put up for the day. So I'll see you here in a minute. Alrighty, my oldest just came out, says dinner time, so I'm about to wrap it up. But let's look at what the super clean did and what that self-etching primer looks like in the cab. I think the etching primer green looks really good in the cab, and the super clean did a really good job of cleaning all the grease and dirt off of it. This engine block is painted black. It's a 350. Not sure what it came out of, but let me turn you around here and give you a look at it. Till the grease and stuff came off. Still got a little bit of cleaning to do here, a little bit tougher stuff. I just need to get a brush and go over, but it cleaned up really good. What you can see, it says 350, then A2, ND, A03. I'm not sure. This says 350. Not sure what it came out of, but paint, I'm going to scrub just a little bit more. I think the block came out pretty good. I mean, there's no greasy mess or anything. I need to pop this off and kind of tape off everything and paint the block. Alrighty, now the cab. We painted that self-etching green. Sorry about that. I think it turned out alright. I just painted the main I guess plate that they welded down. I am going to take this off eventually and paint all that. Maybe clean that hole up a little bit better. It's kind of cut out jagged. I'll make it actually look like a hole. And I didn't go up any because this ain't really that bad, not like this was. Let me go around the other side right quick. This is what the other side looks like. I think it turned out alright. I think it's protected pretty good right now. You hear an echo. Woo! But So I'm happy with that. Like I said, we will do that one. And I need to do this too, where the gauges go. That's tack welded in, so it'll be kind of not tricky, but just, I don't know, time consuming to get in there. But let me know your thoughts on steel wool and all this. Like the whole cab, kind of knocking back this rust and then maybe clear coating it. Let me know your thoughts on that. Of course, I'll do it to the firewall and everything else. Not sure what these are. Let's look under there. Oh, the pedals. I'm gonna need another one. Got a clutch braking gas, but anyways, that's what she looks like. But if you made it through the video, thanks for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna try to come out here at least once a month, if not more. I'd like to get this thing running. I know I said I have it running by spring. Spring is here, so did meet my goal. I'm hoping to have it done by summer, if not fall. I hope by summer. I'm gonna knuckle down, and I think next thing we're gonna do is go through the engine and kind of rebuild. I got new gaskets. I got a 3 two-barrel intake to put on it, and I find 3 two-barrel carbs, so that ought to be interesting. And then putting it in and going over the transmission, getting it all sorted, drive shaft, radiator, all the hoses, wiring harness. I gotta put the bed on, battery in the back, run battery cables. A lot of stuff I need to do. I think I might make a list and start marking it off when I get stuff done. Today is just mainly just seeing what the engine looked like after it's been cleaned and getting something down on the floor of this thing, because it's was really surface rust bad. And let me know what to do. I think I'm gonna steel wool it and see what it turns out like. Looks like they're starting us paint removal. I know they removed the lip off here, and seems to me like they kind of stopped, which I think the guy said the guy stopped payment on it, so he just wanted to get out what he had in it, and that's what I got it for. But I did get a bunch of parts and basically everything to put it back together. So if you like this kind of thing, please stick around. Like I said, we're gonna work on the Ratrod, get it together, get it going, and then we'll start on the Bronco again. But please like, comment, subscribe. Try to reply to every comment I get, and we'll just keep going until we run out of parts or money, I guess. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.